Most people think the gut has just one job: digestion. Break down food, absorb nutrients, and get rid of the waste. But this simple belief completely falls apart the moment you take a closer look. Inside your digestive tract, there's a hidden world. It's an ecosystem so complex, so active, and so influential that modern science now sees it as one of the most powerful regulators of human health. This isn't just a metaphor. It's a living, breathing system. Forget what you thought you knew about digestion. Imagine a vast, bustling city operating inside your body. Trillions of residents, constant communication, endless construction, repair, and defense. This city is your gut microbiome. Every single square millimeter of your intestinal lining is influenced by microscopic life forms. They work together, sometimes in harmony, sometimes in conflict, to shape exactly how your body functions day in and day out. They help pull energy from the food you eat. They create vitamins your body can't produce on its own. They have a say in your metabolism, your hormone signals, and even your brain chemistry. And what is truly astonishing is that they start shaping who you are long before you can even speak. Let's talk about scale, because it's something that almost defies intuition. There are more microbial cells living in your gut than there are human cells in your entire body. Think about that for a second. More of them than you. We're talking thousands of different species, millions of unique genes. It's an ever-evolving biological network that responds to every meal you eat, every stressful day you have, and every night of poor sleep. It's so unique that no two people on Earth share the same microbiome fingerprint. Even identical twins, who start with the same genetics, develop different microbiomes over time. This incredible diversity isn't random. It's adaptive. Your microbiome is constantly being shaped by your diet, your environment, your upbringing, your stress levels, and even the medications you've taken throughout your life. It's a living record of your journey. Now, when most people hear gut microbiome, they think of bacteria. And they're not wrong, but bacteria are only part of the story. Your gut is also home to fungi, which play a key role in regulating your immune balance. It houses viruses, and don't worry, many of them infect bacteria, not you. They're called bacteriophages. And there are also archaea, ancient single-celled organisms that influence gas metabolism and how your body extracts energy from food. Together, all these different organisms form an interconnected system. It behaves less like a simple collection of microbes and more like a fully functional organ you didn't evolve alone, and one you absolutely cannot afford to ignore. This invisible world is the foundation of your health, and understanding it is the key to unlocking a new level of well-being. So, how does this hidden world actually work? These microbes, these invisible architects, are constantly sending signals throughout your body. Think of it like a massive communication network. When you eat fiber from fruits and vegetables, certain bacteria ferment it and produce compounds called short-chain fatty acids. These aren't just waste products. They're powerful signaling molecules. They travel through your bloodstream and can reduce inflammation, strengthen your gut barrier, and even influence your mood by communicating with your brain. This is the famous gut-brain axis in action. It's a two-way street. Your brain can also send signals down to your gut. Ever felt butterflies in your stomach when you're nervous? That's your brain talking to your gut. Chronic stress can actually change the composition of your gut microbiome, favoring less beneficial microbes over helpful ones. This constant dialogue means that what happens in your gut doesn't stay in your gut. It affects everything. Your immune system, for example, is profoundly shaped by your microbiome. About 70% of your immune cells reside in your gut, where they're in constant contact with these microbes. A diverse and balanced microbiome helps train your immune system to distinguish between friend and foe. It teaches it to tolerate harmless substances like food while mounting a strong defense against actual pathogens. When this balance is disrupted, a condition known as dysbiosis can lead to a confused immune system, contributing to allergies, autoimmune conditions, and a lower resistance to infections. Your gut microbes are essentially your immune system's first line of defense and its lifelong training partners. The influence of these microbes extends even further, into areas you might never expect, like your metabolism and weight. Two people can eat the exact same meal, but the number of calories they extract from it can be different, partly due to their unique microbiomes. Some microbes are more efficient at harvesting energy from food. An imbalance in these microbes can make it easier to gain weight and harder to lose it. They also influence fat storage, blood sugar regulation, and feelings of hunger and fullness by affecting the hormones that control your appetite. This is why a one-size-fits-all diet rarely works. Your personal microbial city has its own unique way of processing fuel, and learning to work with it, not against it, is crucial for maintaining a healthy metabolism. So if this internal ecosystem is so important, how do we take care of it? How do we become good city planners for our own microbiome? The most powerful tool you have is your diet. Your gut microbes eat what you eat. A diet rich in a wide variety of plant-based foods, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and legumes is like providing a gourmet buffet for your beneficial microbes. These foods are packed with different types of fiber, and each type of fiber feeds a different group of good bacteria, promoting diversity. Think of it as cultivating a rich and vibrant garden. On the other hand, a diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can do the opposite. It can starve the good microbes and allow the less desirable ones to take over, leading to inflammation and dysbiosis. Beyond diet, your lifestyle choices play a huge role. Regular exercise has been shown to increase microbial diversity and promote the growth of beneficial bacteria. Getting enough quality sleep is also critical. Your body's internal clock, your circadian rhythm, influences your gut microbes, and they have their own daily rhythms too. Disrupting your sleep disrupts their cycle, which can have downstream effects on your health. Managing stress is another key piece of the puzzle. Techniques like mindfulness, meditation, or even just spending time in nature can help calm the gut-brain axis and support a healthier microbial environment. It's about creating a holistic lifestyle that nurtures this hidden world within. Every positive choice you make is a vote for a healthier, more balanced microbiome. The science of the microbiome is still a young and rapidly evolving field. But one thing is crystal clear. We are not just individuals. We are superorganisms, walking ecosystems, intricately connected to the trillions of invisible architects living inside us. Understanding this relationship fundamentally changes how we view health. It shifts the focus from just treating symptoms to nurturing the very foundation of our well-being. The journey into your gut as hidden world is one of the most important explorations you can ever undertake. It's a journey of self-discovery, not just of your human cells, but of the entire microbial community that makes you who you are. Thank you for watching. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to join us on our next journey into the wonders of the human body.